Okay, now we are going to show you, we are going to run installation Spectre. And first, you need to go to website to download Spectre. The newest version is Spectre 19.10.322. I don't know what this means. Okay, the version number is always a mystery to me. I don't know what it means. So first we download this file, then we extract and install Spectre. So you can type TAR-XLVA-S and the tab -C OPT-EDA. I just tell you my installation process has SOP. That is my contribution to this area. Okay. So after that, it will extract. Spectre is from Cadence, so you can check Cadence installation guide. You can check Cadence installation guide and see its port. Its port is 5280, right? 5280. Remember? License port for Cadence software is 5280. So you can use export LMLICNSE file equal 5280 at LSTN. You can export it to LM license file variable or CDS license file. I already showed you that before. Then we can verify Spectre. Okay, it is extracted, so we can go here. We can go here, editor /CEDA. I will use copy to save some time. Okay, now we can try this. We can source again, source OPT-EDA /CEDA. Okay, fatal error because I didn't give him netlist, but Spectre is capable to execute. 那我可以下课了。If you type Spectre question mark, it will show you 10, 1. 这什么版本我搞不清楚。Anyway, if you type Spectre dash question mark, it will show you some information, but you didn't give him netlist, so it cannot run simulation. Okay? So the class today is finished. We can go home. 没有了，开玩笑了。真的还提早下课45分钟。Okay. It is very smooth to set up and run Spectre, so we don't need to do troubleshooting. Everyone, please test and run Spectre by yourself. And before you leave, please download. Before you leave this classroom, please download VCS and Xcelium for the next week. Next week we will begin our course in cell-based design flow. So the remaining time I will give it to you to download this file. This will require us a lot of time.